Tony looked like the crypt keeper too. You know what I'm talking about from Tales of the Crypt? The skeleton that went...
Oh, it's been ages since I've seen it. It's been ages since I've seen that.
Deborah said he looked like he had chicken wings. And his name is Falkor, but my friend calls him Al Gore. And her boyfriend calls him Flat Tire Valvoline. People call him Ewok.
Stick your tongue out. Stick your tongue out.
Squeaky with a tongue. Squeaky with a tongue.
They all do that, don't they?
Well, he ain't got no teeth.
Oh.
And you know, he still tries to cut the mustard. And when the girls are in heat, he used to go around, I call it the dirty old man thing, he'd go like this. And then, now, because he ain't got no teeth, he goes, we'll go sing? Sing for Mr. Koger. Okay? Sing. You love Jesus?
Sing for Vernon.
Sing for Vernon. You love Jesus? Jesus. I said, Jesus. I said, Jesus. Jesus. He's my friend. Jesus. He's my friend. He took me by the hand. Led me to the promised land. Jesus. Just quit.
All right.